All right, we're going to try this Cerakote ceramic trim coat on our bumpers, our door handles, and these right here. We're going to see if we can get this to look new again. It says it lasts 200 washes guaranteed. And look how many we have.
Wow.
It's got rubber gloves with it. I don't see like a prep one. So that's nice. So I'm gonna put these rubber gloves on. Now it says wash. It's too cold to wash right now. Dry and apply. So we're gonna not wash,
Not dry.
not dry, and apply. And see how it does. So don't think this is a bad kit if it doesn't turn out well, but we are selling this Jeep and we want it to look as good as we can so we can get the best offer.
I can't wait to see this. I feel like it's going to be a magic trick.
Well, just a FYI, I've watched this on YouTube a lot and it is a magic trick. It's got easy tear things, and all it is a little bitty thing. Maximum strength. Oh, wow.
It does have a chemical smell.
So do this outside. Well ventilated area. It's kind of slick.
Do you want to do a face like wow?
Wow.
You get like this, these edges here.
We can come back and do it. It ain't gonna be that.
Wow. That is
looks
impressive.
Amazing. And I don't know if it matters if you get it on your clear coat. So I don't know if you're supposed to tape it off. We will check on that. I'm
Wow.
pretty sure I've seen people taping off their clear coat. But look at that. With our brand new bumper or grill install, sorry. Wow.
That is, wow.
Now this, it's actually a little wet right there, but we're gonna go over that and see if it matters. Flipping this over. I'm gonna use see how long this one goes to how much you can do. But I used to have an Avalanche, a Chevy Avalanche. Yeah. I wish I would have had this back then.
Yes.
I actually painted it. I ended up painting it with some plastic paint, and that worked really good. So it's kind of a thinner coat. This has been in a little crash right here, it looks like.
Not by me.
Not by us. This is pretty easy to install. I think it'd be even easier if I got a new one.
Or what are you talking about? The bumper?
Yeah, the little pad.
Oh.
Like it'd be easier to apply. I'm trying to see how long this one will go, if it'll do the whole front bumper.
Looks like it is.
Mm-hmm.
just amazing what just little things like this can make your vehicle look so much nicer.
Yes. If this is supposed to last 200 washes, I mean, that's over a year, right? I mean,
Yeah, I mean, if you're like you who washes their vehicle every week, sometimes multiple times a week, yeah.
wow. Okay. That looks totally different.
Yeah. Looks like a different
Way
bumper other than
Look at this.
the chip
here.
paint.
Yeah. But you could get some touch up.
Yeah.
All right. Go under here. And the nice thing with this is you just got them in this kit, and you got all kinds of them. So if you need to touch up, it's easy. All right, we're going to finish up the rest of this and show you how it turns out.
I'll show you what the door handles look like before he starts on them.
We don't know what temperature you're supposed to do this at either, so.
We're just winging it today.
Oh my goodness.
Wow, that is so satisfying to watch.
And like I said, I don't know if you're supposed to get that on your paint. I see one big problem.
Yeah, you're not gonna be able to get in all those tiny little spaces.
Yeah, you're gonna have to like stuff it in here like this. All right, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Click the bell for notification.
Catch you on the next review.
Bye.
Bye.
Man, that turned out great, didn't it?
Yeah.